J-B-Weld brings the world's strongest bond to paint and body repair. Today, we're looking at 3 plastic repair products designed specifically for the professional paint, body, and equipment market. These products are engineered to make repairs faster, stronger, and more reliable. Here's when you'll use them. Fast-setting plastic repair is perfect for quick jobs like tab repair, emblems, or even punctures. For larger or structural repairs, the multi-purpose plastic repair, along with the multi-plastic finishing material, gives you a professional finish on bumpers, grills, mirror housings, even wheel wells. And the finishing material alone can be used to repair gouges and minor scratches. I'm going to show you how quickly and efficiently you can get the job done with these products from J-B-Weld. Let's start with a broken bumper tab. I'll use J-B-Weld fast-setting plastic repair. With a little mesh tape as a base, this builds a strong new tab. After prepping the repair surface, load the cartridge into the gun, remove the closure plug, attach the mixing nozzle, and dispense about 2 inches to ensure uniform mixing. Next, dispense the fast-setting plastic repair onto a piece of plastic repair contouring tape. Apply the J-B-Weld and tape to fill the missing or broken piece of the tab. After it has cured, remove the tape, shape and drill the tab as needed, and it's ready for finishing. Next, let's repair a bumper puncture using J-B-Weld multi-purpose plastic repair. After prepping both sides of the puncture, reinforce the backside with mesh tape, apply the product and spread it evenly into the tape. Then apply product to the front and spread it evenly over the puncture. Once cured, this material sands easily to a smooth finish, making it perfect for structural or cosmetic repairs. Now, let's finish it off with J-B-Weld multi-plastic finishing material. Dispense it onto a mixing board, mix to a uniform color, and apply a thin glaze coat. For gouges and minor scratches, the multi-plastic finishing material is all you need. It feathers easily and sands to a professional finish, leaving the bumper ready for primer and paint. And that's it. Strong, clean bumper repairs with J-B-Weld's plastic repair system. Fast, reliable, and built for the professional. And remember, this is just part of the Pro Series lineup, consisting of a complete offering of panel adhesives, plastic repair, and seam sealers from J-B-Weld, the most trusted name in adhesives and coatings.